Hello everyone, my name is Apple. Today I talk about why someone can become exhausted from conventional therapists. There are a number of reasons that can stop you receiving the results that you desire. Number one, lack of trust. When you select a therapist, it's very important that you trust their expertise 100%. Number two, overly dependent. What that means is you totally rely on the therapist to take your problems away. Well, therapists or effective therapy do not work that way. When the therapist gives you advice or instructions or some exercise, it is your job to practice those exercises on a regular basis. Number three, fear of change. Unable to see the future self, unable to feel the new version of self who is confident, abundant, positive, guilt-free, shame-free, cannot feel that at all. Number four, do you have the authority to make the change? Or do you desire to make the change? Sometimes the clients, they actually not the decision maker. They are not the clue who can make the change. This can happen in the couple's relationship, husband and wife, parents and children, or a manager with their directors. A manager faces challenges, but the bosses who do not advocate the change. And the important aspect I mentioned as the person do not desire change, such as someone who comes for stop smoking, but they actually don't want to be here, is the partner who sent them to see me. Such scenario, it won't work. Number five is the source of your challenge being blocked or being resolved. This in particular in relationship challenges, someone being abused or someone desire love from somebody else, but the other person, the third party, the perpetuator, constantly, continuously abuse, sending information to block your healing or continuously spoil the healing can become ineffective in this scenario. Number six, unresolved trauma. Clients without proper trust, they will not tell or release the deep-rooted issue. For example, women who had sexual abusive experience, they do not want to talk about it. It's shame and pain that deeply hidden underneath. So this will come in time, and this trauma needs to be resolved before they can truly embrace who they are or embrace opportunities for personal advancement and abundance. Number seven, lack of clarity on goals. The clients want A and the therapist give B. Now, if this is not communicated properly, there would be a gap in terms of where you are now, in terms where you expect you can be after therapy. So making sure that your therapist or the therapist that you go to see help you to clarify on your goals, where you want it to be exactly. Number eight, I'm going to get real now. The current you cannot be successful. Remember, if you are successful, you won't be listening to this video right now. There are two things to change this. Number one, change your mindset. When I say change your mindset, that is to be willing to recognize your current limitation, to be able, wanting to change that mentality, the way you look at certain things. You are open to methods that can make that twitch happening in your mind. Simply changing your mentality is not going to take your problem away. That's just step number one. Step number two, practice. When you receive advice or instructions, activities from your therapist, make sure you follow it through. Practice make you better and better every single day. Put it into your daily agenda. Setting a fixed schedule to get up at the same time, go to bed at the same time, 30 minutes a day or an hour a day to advance yourself, to create that better version of yourself. The better you does not happen just because you think you're going to become a better version. You have to practice what you preach and what you think who you are. The blind spot is we don't know that if we change our view, our perspective on our problems, it won't be a problem anymore. If you are questioning, if you are searching for healing or therapy, feel free to book a free strategy call with me today to learn how applewang hypnosis can assist you to remove those emotional pain, such as guilt, shame, lack of confidence, and trauma. I look forward to connect to all like-minded souls. Thank you for watching.